Hey guys, just a little disclaimer. Remember these videos are just for fun, so don't hate on anyone in the video. And of course, all the links will be down below in the description. Mukbangers really are in love with cheese. It's the one thing they can't get enough of. Especially this dude. Okay, wow, this looks amazing. This video blew up and I'm not surprised. It's such a simple, delicious meal with a regular portion size. It's so rare to see that. Bungle has to be here. The way he eats is so funny. He's always, and I mean always, dipping pizza into cheese sauce, making the cheesiest concoction known to man. Watch me for longer than a month, then you already know that mukbangers are obsessed with cheese. She literally bought a fountain for cheese. How funny is that?
완전 잘 됐어. 양념치킨. 와.
This has to be the creamiest mac and cheese I have ever seen. This thing is 99% sauce and 1% food. I mean, seriously, look at this thing. Even though I barely eat seafood lately, I love watching these seafood boil videos. And her food is always looking 10 out of 10. You can tell just by looking at it that it's going to be so crunchy.
A butter sauce and some potato cheese sauce, okay guys?
Bongal really amazes me. He always goes so overboard with food. Like, I don't know how he doesn't get sick eating so much of one thing. This is an insane amount of sauce. This is such a simple meal, yet as soon as the video started, I was already craving it. I really miss old school Zach Choi videos. They were so satisfying. Do you guys agree? I really miss them. It's So Good is literally the nicest person ever, or at least she comes across that way in her videos. And of course, she loves to drown her food in an ocean of sauce. So much sauce.
Today, baby, we have ourselves a seafood boil drenched in Alfredo sauce. Oh, piece of shrimp. Got a prawn. And then I have the Alfredo.
Mukbang is always making the most basic food look amazing. And in this video, he's completely drowning super crunchy foods in cheese sauce. Every now and then I see people comment to include this dude, so this is for you. He covered a ton of food in hot Cheetos, which goes so well with cheese.
Mukbang, yeah, baby. Oh my god. Mm. 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 Mm-mm. The dude. The big boy. Mm. Mm.
The most simple meal ever. Hot Cheeto covered chicken and cheese sauce. We all know this tastes hella good. I so want some right now. Okay, this isn't sauce, but she really does drown the food in so much cheese. She dumps this entire bowl over everything.
부려보도록 할게요. 너무 좋아, 너무 좋아. 이 순간 너무 좋아. 와. 어머, 어떡해, 어떡해. 좋아. 떡볶이랑 같이.
Bongal is really out here dipping fried foods and many burgers in so much sauce, and somehow he stays in shape. I have no idea how. T's videos are my addiction lately. Her seafood videos make me so hungry. She does use a ridiculous amount of sauce though, an unholy amount.
This is some Alfredo sauce.
When is Sammy not smothering everything in his bowl of sauce? Dude can't eat anything without it. He must dip everything. I knew instantly that these were KFC wings. I eat them way too often. But let's be real, this looks absolutely amazing. It is an unreal amount of cheese though. I've been meaning to include her in my videos for a while, but seriously, she has more sauce than food here. It's like an ocean of cheese sauce. Like, how will she even taste the food? It's just going to be overpowered by cheese. UDT is back to fill his mouth to the absolute max with the biggest bites humanly possible. Honestly, this video made me super hungry. Bongo is back for the trillionth time to dip pizza into cheese. Like as if the pizza didn't already have enough cheese. This dude is obsessed. Honestly, this looks so good. All of her food is tempting me so bad. But for a lot of this video, she's literally just eating straight up cheese with nothing else.
엄청 부드럽다. 대박 사건. 와. 우와. 오.
This burger is insane. For real, look at this thing. It's drowned in so much cheese and completely surrounded by it. Q is in love with cheese sauce. She will dip her food in it so much you can't even see food anymore. It does look really good though.
Hello. Spicy Korean meatballs with some yummy, oh my goodness, cheese sauce, you guys. I am ready to dig. Oh God. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. This is gonna be a messy one, y'all. You ready?
I'm ready, I'm ready.
Oh my gosh, who loves cheese?
I love cheese.
I love cheese. This is delicious.
Dude covered his food in an unreal amount of sauce, and it's still not enough. He has a bowl on the side too, so he can dip it even more. Bongo is just insane. What human dips pizza into cheese sauce? He literally makes the cheesiest things you've ever seen. Beast's videos like this were so entertaining. He got a ton of McDonald's food and absolutely smothers it with so much sauce.
Listen, we got a Big Mac. We got a spicy chicken sandwich. We got I wanted a double quarter pounder, but they gave me a quarter pounder, but that's all good. Hang on this right quick though. We gonna put in this hot steamy cheese. Yes, sir. We're just gonna put this cheese alrighty. Double quarter pounder. Yes, sir. Let's put this here right there. Look at this. This is very messy, but look at this. It's dripping everywhere. Let's get it. I need a towel. Let me just let the cheese marinate. Yo, with cheese, you gotta try this. I'm telling you. We gonna dip this thing in cheese. Yes, sir. Let's go.
I love mac and cheese, but this is a whole 10 people's worth of mac and cheese, and it's also so cheesy. It's 90% cheese and 10% mac, and she's gonna eat the whole thing somehow. Mikey is always going mad for cheese. Dude has a super cheesy pizza, another cheesy pasta thing, and to top it all off, he has cheese sauce too. This next video seriously made me so hungry. The food just looks so good. Like for real, look how crispy the chicken is. She does drown her food in cheese sauce like everyone else, but it's not constant, like once every 5 bites or so, not every single bite. I only discovered her channel today, and she's mega underrated, so definitely go check her out down below. So this girl is eating cheeseburgers dipped in cheese. Like, how much cheese do you really need? She slurps on the burgers, it's that much sauce. In this video she went to Popeyes, which looks amazing. I've been wanting to try Popeyes forever. I can't believe I still haven't tried it. But obviously it's not very healthy.
So today I have for you guys some Popeyes. Yeah, this is Diet Coke. Crispy tenders are my favorite. So let's dip it in the ranch. Dip, dip, dip.
Dip, 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 dip.
Beauty bite. Mmm. Mmm. So good.
This is by far my favourite video from her. She covers giant Korean meatballs in so much cheese. It looks so good.
The cheese sauce. The yummy.
Bruh.
Hold on, let me mix this cheese sauce. You tripping, cheese sauce? Come on. Come on now. Don't do me like that. Cheese sauce. Alright, you guys see this? Looks so good. I'm gonna eat. Take a big bite of this. That's good. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. That's good, y'all. It's definitely good with it. Mm.
If you're new to the channel, Zach Choi is not a cheesy hash brown. He's the dude behind the cheesy hash brown. He is obsessed with hash browns and cheese. This dude has the best looking food. I don't care if it's covered in cheese, it looks freaking amazing. He's literally got a whole tray to dip everything in. No one can tell me that this doesn't look freaking amazing. This is moments before he dumps the whole tray all over the fries, and that makes the biggest portion of pizza fries I've ever seen.
Today we are doing a pizza fries mukbang video. Let's get into it. Never had pizza fries before, but sounds good to me.
Mukbangers are always dipping their food in way too much sauce. Just like Bongo. The dude never has enough. He will easily finish the whole bowl of sauce. She made the most loaded hot dogs ever. These things are loaded to the max. Also, I think she's super underrated, so you guys should definitely go subscribe to her channel. Link is down below. ASMR Bro has a mountain of ribs and chicken wings. A godly amount of food for just one meal. I honestly don't think I'd ever be able to finish that in one sitting. Do you guys think you could finish all of this?
Today we are doing a wings and ribs mukbang video. So what I've got here is wings and ribs. And we're gonna do a mukbang video. Let's get into it. Man, I haven't had ribs in a while now. Let's just deconstruct this real quick.
So this dude is doing an egg roll challenge. attempting to eat every single one as fast as possible. And he's drowning all of them in that bowl of cheese.
Right here I got to drink me. Right here I got to drink me. Who gon' drink me? Let me know. Ready? Let's go. Yep, let's go. All right, here we go, guys. Oh my god, that sucker was hot!
Mukbangers are really out here dumping whole bottles of nuclear fire sauce all over their food. Just like Vicky ASMR in this video, who drowns her food in so much fire sauce.
A few moments later.
Charisse has to be one of the messiest mukbangers I've ever seen. But with that said, her videos are still pretty entertaining and she seems so wholesome, so please don't hate on her.
Today I'm coming to y'all with an awesome video. We are having some gigantic king crab. Yes, some cheese sauce. The cheese sauce. Yes, y'all, look at that. Mmm. Yes. Yes. Mmm. My God. Mmm. 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 Look at that.
This video is such a mood. She got WingStop and absolutely drowned the wings in so much sauce. But imagine someone was parked next to her and saw her eating this messy.
Vegetables, dips. Tangled up in my bed. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
I'm a big fan of Steven's videos. I've loved his videos for years, and this particular one is a few years ago, and nothing has changed. He still stuffs his face like crazy to this day.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So good.
I don't understand why anyone would ever do something like this. She has a whole chicken and she completely covers it in an unreal amount of sauce. Like an unbelievable amount. There is never a need for this much. This dude is the most wholesome man on the planet, so even if he's messy, you guys better not send him any hate. He's so sweet. His love for sauce is insane though. All messy mukbangers are in love with sauce.
Today we're going to be doing a delicious Big Mac feast dipped in Big Mac sauce. I really hope everyone's having an amazing day.
Sammy is for sure up there as being one of the messiest mukbangers ever. He's always covering his food in so much sauce and eating it in the messiest way possible. You know, as soon as you see a bowl like this completely full with sauce, it's going to be the messiest video you've ever seen. But this dude's videos were so good, it really sucks that he barely posts nowadays.
Cheese on top. Could I have that cheese? Oh, that looks so freaking good. I'm ready for it. Mm. Mm.